Hello everybody. From mid-March to now, the Bank of Canada has created a little over $261 billion. And I see that as a good thing given our current banking system because in essence, the Bank of Canada is neutralizing government debt through some of its purchasing programs. The bank creates money to purchase bonds and treasury bills, and when they do mature, any surpluses on the Bank of Canada balance sheet are returned to the government via the Receiver General. For those of you that don't know, the Receiver General is considered the accountant for the Government of Canada. However, I think the Bank of Canada could be empowered in other ways that benefit the general public. For example, the Bank of Canada could create money that is directly deposited into government accounts via the Receiver General for productive and beneficial programs like our healthcare system. The money would be used to pay for hospitals, doctors, nurses, support staff, the whole gamut. Because the money would be created without a corresponding debt, or in other words, it would not have to be paid back, that money would continue to circulate in the economy. This would also have an additional benefit of reducing our federal income taxes by almost 25%. Of course, the funding would need to be completely transparent and subject to public scrutiny. Some people argue that governments cannot be trusted with the money creation privilege, while at the same time ignoring the problems associated with granting that same privilege to privately owned commercial banks in our current system. Some of these problems are outlined in my letter to Parliament titled Costs of Money Creation and Complexity. You can access that document by going to the website and navigating on the header bar until you reach Letter to Parliament, and then you can click on that. The Bank of Canada's responsibilities could be expanded to include direct funding programs beneficial to the general public, which would be consistent with its present mandate to promote the economic and financial welfare of Canada. In closing, the next time someone advocates austerity and says to you, "Where are we going to get the money from? Where are we going to get the money from?" direct them to this website, Progressive Money Canada. Have a good day.